Yeah, we're gonna make a loaded chili cheese dog pasta bake. We're gonna start with browning some chopped up. Okay, now we got that somewhat brown. We can start adding some other stuff. We got some Wolf brand chili. Now you can use bean or no bean. I'm using no bean, so just a meat chili. So before you start saying in the comments, yes, I know this is not the healthiest. This is a fun recipe. While that's cooking into that, we're gonna throw in some onion, half an onion chopped up, and a chopped up Roma tomato. We're gonna get that sauteed and cooked into there. As you're getting that cooked into there, let's throw in our seasonings. We're gonna put in some smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper. We're going to throw in some salt. Get all that mixed together. We'll just let that cook together for a few minutes. Let it get all nice and sauteed together. Now we're going to go over to our baking dish, our 9x13 that we greased up. I'm putting in 8 ounces of elbow macaroni on the bottom here. Get it evenly. And then we're going to bring over that hot dog chili cheese mixture that we just put in. Chili hot dog, I mean. We haven't added the cheese yet. That is coming soon. Get that all out of there. Once you have that, we're going to go ahead and just spread that over the top. We're going to add in a very important part here. Shredded up 1 cup of cheddar cheese, of course. This is a loaded chili cheese dog bake. Get all that cheese out of there. All right, y'all. We got the oven preheated to 375. Just throw it in there for 15 minutes. And this thing should be ready. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, man. That smells like a loaded chili cheese dog. Whoa.
Listen to it sizzle.
So good. What you do, baby girl? Let's try this American masterpiece. Oh, I know this is going to be a hit with the kiddos. Hot. American masterpiece, y'all. That was a fun recipe, y'all. You gotta try this at home.